The best way to get what you want? Deserve it. Sounds simple, right? But most people have it all wrong. They chase what they want without becoming valuable enough to attract it. This isn't another feel-good, believe and you'll achieve video. I'm going to show you how to actually deserve the things you want. Whether it's success, money, relationships, it doesn't matter. If you're sick of chasing and getting nowhere, this video is for you. I'll walk you through the exact steps to stop chasing and start attracting. You're going to learn actionable strategies to apply today. So, buckle up and let's jump in. Mindset and action. The law of attraction gets thrown around a lot, but let's be honest, most videos cover it on a surface level. They tell you to just think positive, visualize what you want, and boom, it'll magically appear. But guess what? That's not enough. Your mindset is just one piece of the puzzle. The real magic happens when you combine that mindset with action. You could read all the books about fitness or watch hours of YouTube videos about working out, but if you're not hitting the gym and eating right, your body won't change. The same goes for every area of your life, whether it's your career, relationships, or personal growth. Mindset is important, but the real power comes when you put in the work. So, let me ask you this. Have you ever felt like you've been doing everything right, setting goals, thinking positive, but you're still not getting what you want? Drop your answer in the comments. I want to know how you've been feeling about this. Musashi's rule. Now let's talk about Musashi's rule. Consider yourself lightly. Consider the world deeply. Most people get stuck focusing on what they want. But here's the catch. The world doesn't care about what you want. It cares about what you have to offer. So the question isn't, what do I want? It's, how can I become valuable? Think about it. Business partners don't care about how hard you work. They care about how you can make them money. Life partners care about how you can add value to their lives. The moment you stop being selfish and start thinking deeply about how you can meet the world's needs, you become valuable. And then you stop chasing. Instead, you start attracting. Let's take a real-world example. Imagine you're a student trying to land your first job at a prestigious firm. Most people will send out hundreds of applications hoping for a shot. But that's the wrong approach. Instead, consider this. What if you researched the industry, understood the firm's biggest challenges, and came up with solutions to those problems? Then, when you go to a career fair, instead of asking for a job, you have a genuine conversation about those problems. You offer insights and discuss solutions. Suddenly, you're not chasing the job anymore. The firm is coming to you because they see your value. If you're enjoying this so far and want more content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm here to help you level up your mindset and become the most valuable version of yourself. And trust me, this is just the beginning. We've got plenty more coming. This isn't just about business. The same principles apply in relationships. If you're only focused on what you want from a relationship, you're chasing. But if you focus on what you can give, on how you can make someone else's life better, you stop chasing. You become the prize. Let's be clear though. This isn't about being a pushover or neglecting your needs. It's about becoming so valuable that people naturally gravitate toward you. And here's the kicker. For this to work, two things must happen. First, you actually have to be valuable. And second, you have to be perceived as valuable. Both are equally important. Once you become valuable and are seen as such, opportunities start to come your way. You stop having to chase them down. And that's where the magic happens, whether in your career, friendships, or love life. Look, this approach can work in every area of your life if you apply it. So the next time you catch yourself chasing something, ask yourself, how can I become valuable? That shift in mindset will make all the difference. Want more tips like this? Check out my video on related topic where I dive into even more strategies for leveling up your life. Trust me, you won't want to miss it.